So today we're going to take a look at some vectors here in vector notation. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is how you write this in component form. So when you're writing in component form, you take your vector and you turn it into a right triangle. We'll say it ends right now, right over here at the tip of the tail, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes up 4 over 4 and up 1. So vector A, which you'll notice vector form, and it's kind of this half little area, would be, and it's written with, these are, so not parentheses, but that greater than less than symbol, and then it's your X component, your Y component. So it goes over 4 and up 1. So if we were to look at B, 1, 2, 3, 4, backwards 4, and down 1, so B, oops, is in the form backwards 4 and down 1. And then C, 1, 2, 3, 4, backwards 4 and up 1. So C would be backwards 4, up 1. Oops. So the magnitude, this is another word for the length. So what theorem can we do? We can do the Pythagorean theorem. So all of these are the same, so we can just do 4 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared. So 16 plus 1, so the magnitude is the square root of 17. So to find the direction, we need to know that angle. And you're always finding the angle as if, you know, it was on an XY coordinate grid. So it's like if we were to put in an XY right here, an XY right there, and an XY. So if it's coming right from that origin. So what we can do for all of these, if we're to find this angle, opposite over adjacent is the tangent. So we could do the inverse tangent of 1 over 4. And if we go back to good old Desmos here, we need to make sure we change it into degrees. And tan inverse 1 over 4, it tells us it's 14.03 degrees. So if I was to call this A, I would say vector A, direction, would be 14 degrees. But if you notice vector B, it's in that third quadrant, so vector B would have to be 180 plus 14. It's like it's that reference angle. So we have 196. And then vector C, it's less than 180, so 180 minus 14 would be 66 degrees. So what you guys are going to do next is on this worksheet, you're going to take a look at some vectors, and let's see if I can find it here, but you're going to be finding magnitude and direction of those vectors. And I don't know where it is. So take a look at that. There will also be an answer key online.